Two major players in HR and payroll. One big question: which one really delivers for your team in 2025? On the left, Justworks, the all-in-one PEO trusted by US-based businesses. And on the right, Remote, the global HR platform built for distributed teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, check this out. Here's what we're going to walk through. Global reach, pricing and flexibility, features and integrations, ease of use and support, and who each one is best for. I know, it's a lot, but stick with me because the differences are actually kind of wild. Let's kick off with global reach. So, Justworks? It's basically the go-to if your company's American and proud of it. Like, the platform nails compliance for US payroll and HR. Super streamlined. Nice, right? But here's the thing. It won't help if you need to hire in, say, Germany or Australia. Totally US only. No global employer of record. Now, Remote, and here's something cool. It lets you bring on people in over 50 countries. I'm talking employees, contractors, you name it, Remotes all over the globe. Local compliance? Handled. If you're running a distributed team, honestly, Remote's the only way to really scale fast internationally. The only catch, the globalness might feel like overkill if you're staying US focused. Winner for this round, it's Remote. Switching gears to pricing and flexibility. Here's the story with Justworks. It's got pretty clear pricing, and you get bundled benefits, which is awesome if you love predictable costs. Honestly, if you're a US startup, it'll probably fit nicely. But, and there's always a but, if you've got big cross-border dreams, it's not super flexible. On the other hand, Remote comes in with sweet deals for startups, free onboarding for contractors, and even bulk pricing if you're hiring a bunch of folks. So, yeah, it can get pricier compared to old-school domestic payroll. But if you want versatility, Remote's got more options. No brainer. Remote takes this one. All right, let's talk features and integrations. With Justworks, you get classic PEO magic. Payroll, HR, compliance, benefits, all baked in. There's automated payroll, easy onboarding, a nifty PTO tracker. But if you want to pay people overseas, sorry, no dice. Basic HRIS, not wild on extras. Now, Remote's got the full global kit. Payroll, benefits, compliance, taxes, in over 50 countries. It's made for distributed teams. The downside? For someone just hiring in the US, all those features might just be too much. Honestly, it's kind of a tie. Each one's really strong. Just depends what you need. Quick fun fact. Did you know Remote's EOR platform lets you hire in 50+ countries and you don't need to set up a legal entity there? Seriously, it's wild. That's a game changer for fast international hiring. Ease of use and support. Let's be real. If the software annoys you or support ghosts you, you're out. With Justworks, their portal is so simple, it's almost suspicious. It's like, am I missing something? Nope, it just works. And the support's legit, especially if you're brand new to outsourcing HR. Biggest weakness? No live support for global help. Over on Remote, the interface is modern. It's slick. And yeah, you get guides for every local law you could imagine. Only thing, if you're new to global hiring, sometimes getting set up can feel like homework. Still, Justworks makes onboarding smoother. So that's our winner here. Best for. Let's break it down. Justworks is perfect for smaller US companies, startups that want easy payroll and straightforward benefits. If you're not thinking about hiring in other countries, it's a dream. No extra stuff to worry about. Remote, though, is meant for folks who want to scale globally. Startups, scale-ups, big remote-first teams. If you're all about hiring wherever the talent is, Remote fits like a glove. But honestly, US-only businesses, you'll probably lean toward Justworks for cost and simplicity. So this one's totally a tie. Depends who you are. So looking at the scores, Remote absolutely crushes it on global reach and flexibility, and Justworks wins hands down for ease and support. Features? Pretty neck and neck. And best for? Well, totally depends on your company's plans. Okay, here's the bottom line. If your whole team's US-based and you want payroll, benefits, and compliance handled, Justworks is just about flawless. But if you're ramping up a global team, Remote is the winner, especially for contractor payroll and crazy fast international scale. I'd pick Remote for anything global, Justworks for local, US-focused simplicity. So, what do you think? Got a favorite yet? Drop a comment or go try out the one that actually fits your team's vibe. Global or local, it's your call. See you next time.